Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products that promise to elevate your at-home routine. Today, I'm excited to dive into a gel polish set that's creating some serious buzz, Olive & June's Bestsellers Gel Polish Set. This set features 6 stunning shades and comes with everything you need for a salon-quality manicure at home. But does it live up to the hype? Let's see. Olive & June's Bestsellers Gel Polish Set offers a collection of 6 of their most popular shades, from the neutral HD to the vibrant pink Goldfish, with finishes that range from matte to glossy. Along with the polishes, the set includes the essentials for a complete gel mani: a gel base coat, a gel top coat, and a peel-off base coat for easy removal. The formula is HEMA-Free and 15-free, which means it's free from potentially harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and DBP. This sets it apart as a cleaner, more skin-friendly option while still promising a professional finish. I've been testing out the set for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, the experience has been impressive. First off, the application process was straightforward. The instructions are easy to follow, and the gel went on smoothly without streaking or unevenness. The base coat felt sturdy, and the top coat added a really nice glossy finish that didn't dull over time. I was particularly excited about the peel-off base coat. This is a game changer if you want to avoid soaking your nails to remove the gel. You just peel it off when you're done, and it comes off in one piece without causing any damage to your natural nails. Now let's talk about the staying power. According to Olive & June, the gel should last up to 21 days without chipping, and I can confirm that my nails stayed pristine for almost 2 weeks. I didn't experience any chipping or fading, even with daily activities like typing, cooking, and even doing the dishes. After about 12 to 14 days, I noticed some minor wear at the tips, but nothing major. One thing to keep in mind is the curing process. You'll need a UV or LED lamp to cure each layer, which might be a bit of an extra investment if you don't already have one. But if you're someone who loves doing your nails at home and wants professional level results, this small step is worth it. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the colors are beautiful and versatile. Whether you're in the mood for something neutral or a fun pop of color, this set has you covered. The formula is HEMA-Free and 15-free, making it a cleaner option for those with sensitive skin or concerns about harmful chemicals. The gel polish lasts up to 2 weeks or longer with proper care, and the peel-off base coat makes removal effortless. It's vegan and cruelty-free, so it aligns with eco-conscious beauty standards. Cons: the need for a UV or LED lamp is something to consider. If you don't have one, it's an added expense. The removal process can still take a bit of time with the regular base coat, though the peel-off base coat does make it significantly easier. While the set includes great shades, if you're looking for an even wider range of colors, you might want to expand your collection. In terms of value for money, this set is priced higher than some drugstore options, but the longevity and the overall quality justify the cost. You're getting salon-quality nails at home without having to deal with harsh chemicals. For someone who's really into maintaining their nails at home, the $60 price tag feels pretty reasonable, considering the number of applications you'll get out of each bottle. If you're on a budget, there are some alternative brands out there that offer similar gel polish sets, but none seem to match Olive & June's balance of high-quality ingredients and long-lasting wear. That being said, if you're not ready to invest in a UV lamp or don't mind more frequent touch-ups, there are affordable brands like Essie and Sally Hansen that might suit your needs. The packaging is sleek, and I appreciate the eco-conscious design. The bottles feel solid and not overly bulky, making it easy to store them with your other beauty products. However, I did notice that the gel formula is a bit thicker than some other brands I've used, which is great for longevity, but may require a little more precision during application. As for customer support, Olive & June has a solid reputation for responsive service, and if you run into any issues, I'm confident their team would be helpful in sorting things out. They also frequently update their product line, so keep an eye out for any new shades or innovations in their range. Ultimately, Olive & June's Bestsellers Gel Polish Set lives up to its claims of long-lasting wear and easy removal. If you're someone who loves doing your nails at home and wants to avoid the salon chemicals, this is a great option to consider. It's not the cheapest on the market, but it certainly delivers professional results with a cleaner formula. Whether you're a gel polish newbie or a seasoned pro, this set has something for everyone. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the product. Have you tried this set yet? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.